Welcome to this tutorial on how to file a 1099 NEC using TurboTax. The 1099 NEC form is used to report non-employee compensation, such as freelance work or independent contractor income. Filing this form is a crucial step in reporting your income to the IRS. To get started, make sure you have a copy of your 1099 NEC form and your TurboTax account information. If you don't have a TurboTax account, you can create one on their website. Once you log into your account, select the tax return you want to work on and click on the Wages and Income section. In this section, click on the option that says I received a 1099 NEC. You will then be prompted to enter the information from your 1099 NEC form, including the payer's name, address, and the amount of non-employee compensation you received. Be sure to enter this information accurately, as it will be used to calculate your tax liability. After entering the information from your 1099 NEC form, TurboTax will guide you through a series of questions to determine if you have any business expenses that you can deduct. This may include expenses such as home office expenses, travel expenses, or equipment expenses. Be sure to keep receipts and records of these expenses, as you will need to provide documentation if you are audited. Once you have completed the 1099 NEC section, review your tax return to ensure that all the information is accurate. You can then e-file your tax return and pay any taxes that you owe. It's also a good idea to print or save a copy of your tax return for your records. Filing a 1099 NEC using TurboTax is a quick and easy process. By following these steps, you can ensure that you are reporting your non-employee compensation correctly and taking advantage of any business expense deductions you are eligible for. Remember to always keep accurate records and seek the help of a tax professional if you have any questions or concerns.